We're here now at Beechcroft Village. It's a safe, accessible place for people, not just locally, but all across Bolton. We get people coming in, enjoying what we have to offer. Gardening, beekeeping, woodworking, art for wellness, and just helping their well-being, both the mental and physical well-being, by what they get up to once they're down here.
They've worked so hard to get what was not just a derelict bit of land, but it was pretty horrendous actually, and make it something for the community. There's a prevalence of poor mental health all over this area, so it's somewhere that people come to feel safe. They can mix with other people, they can do stuff with their hands, they can speak if they want to, they can be as quiet as they want to. And they might start talking about onions or potatoes, and the next thing they're talking about the thoughts and the feelings, and they're getting that peer support of other people here.
I get a sense of well-being and confidence, and the more I get more confident in myself, the more I start to love myself, the more I start to love myself, the more I want to be around people. Because over the last 18 months, I've had a rough ride. When your little boy looks at you and says, "Dad, I'm not even speaking to you until you're nowhere near alcohol." I've been to the darkest parts of the earth and I'm working my way back up. And being around people and being in this environment helps me every day.
We're in the main shed, which we're going to call the hive. In this room, we're going to have all of our arts and crafts. So Art for Wellness is for ladies who have long-term health conditions, chronic health conditions. They might be carers in need of respite. They might feel socially isolated at home, need to get out and have a break. I myself have long-term chronic health conditions, so I know the importance of doing activities like this, especially mindfulness activities. Your pain and your conditions never go away. It just puts them to the back of the mind and gives you something positive and creative to focus on, which gives you that respite.
Social prescribers work alongside patients to look at a more holistic approach to long-term health. And then we link up with the community, volunteer sectors. It's kind of not what they can't do, it's more for what they can do. They become more confident, become more motivated.
We're doing something productive, so therefore I'm learning. If I'm learning, then my mind's coping and I'm doing something better.
We're helping people, but they're also contributing to the site and getting things up and running. And that's giving people self-worth, that they can see, actually, they're part of something special.
You can tart it up with fancy names, but all it is, it's about being neighbourly and caring about one another.